I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should stop if your intent is to bypass someone else's security. I can't provide instructions to break protections. Instead, focus on lawful recovery. Verify you own the file and gather any original account info. Once done, check cloud backups, synced copies, or earlier versions in OneDrive or Google Drive. These often restore access without cracking anything. If you have an IT admin or a documented business process for file recovery, make sure to involve them now so you proceed properly and legally. You can pursue legitimate avenues that respect security and ownership. Contact Microsoft support or consult your organization's IT administrator to request authorized recovery or password reset options. They can validate identity and restore access. Also, search password managers, browser-saved passwords, or emailed password hints. These often solve the issue. Once you've exhausted those, consider reputable professional data recovery services that operate under consent and can handle encrypted Office files. If authorized recovery avenues fail, document your ownership and obtain consent paperwork before engaging professional services. Reputable vendors require that. Make preventive changes, enable regular cloud backups, store passwords in a manager, and configure recovery email and phone numbers. Once you engage help, make sure the file isn't corrupted by testing it on the original computer or from the original storage medium. That simple check often explains a failure. I can't teach bypass methods, but I can help draft a recovery checklist or a support request message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.